Welcome to Fitous Thai kitchen. Today we going to make barbecue sauce. Yeah, our recipe. I show you the recipe first. Salt, sugar, coriander powder, cumin powder, sliced white onion, oregano, honey, paprika, tomato sauce, and homemade chili sauce we did last time. And then butter, we grill with butter. But we grill today after we make, and then we grill with this meat. You can use seafood, you can use chicken, any meat. And the vegetable we use pineapple, cherry tomato, green pepper, red pepper. And the meat we put prawn and beef. Okay, first we stick this one first. What you call?
Skewers.
Yeah, we screw it.
We screw it, yeah?
Yeah, we screw it first.
Hur does that screw curl like? Mer like
But the meat you slice into the big dice. Okay, this one we do prawn and beef. This one done, right? Then we put in the fridge. And now we're going to do the sauce, the barbecue sauce. Okay, on the gas with the medium heat. We put the butter, 1 tablespoon of butter in the wok. And then we fry onion. I think about 1 handful, yeah. The onion gets nice smell. You turn to the yellow color. You can put the chilli sauce. Okay, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. Because this one quite hot. Or maybe 2 tablespoons.
Yeah.
Yep.
Go on, girl, yeah.
Because I'm afraid of one maybe too hot for the crispy man. And then tomato sauce. 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. I add a little bit of water. Okay, paprika, 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. And coriander powder, teaspoon. Oregano. Yeah, just a few drops. Yeah, look very little. I add a little bit more of chili sauce and tomato sauce. ไอ้กลัวเผ็ดไง
ไม่ต้องชอบ เผ็ด
You like hot, yeah? This one make อร่อย maybe put a lot more. Oh, look. Get a nice taste. I จะทำใหม่อีกเนี่ย
โอ้เยอะนะ
Oh, because the taste is nice.
Nice,
Yeah, and then a little bit of salt, but you have to taste first. Yeah, because we have the taste from the chili sauce.
ketchup.
Yeah, and ketchup sweet. You have to taste. And then honey spoon of honey. Yeah, that's why be careful.
Pepper.
No, can not only burn the quite sweet. Then you fry. Keep on frying. Yeah, but you can put the salt a little bit, just a pinch, like this. But first you have to taste first. Okay, enough. Yeah, and we put in the bowl.
Look like spaghetti sauce.
Yeah, look like spaghetti sauce. Yep, they're quite thick, and now we can grill. Leave cool down a little bit. Okay, now we start to grill. We're on the grill. If you don't have the grill at home, you can use the pan, the flat pan. Yeah, we grill beef first. Because you want well done, medium rare.
Actually, rare. Like
Rare
the
is nice.
outside is-
Okay, this beef is going to be medium rare, right? We put the sauce on top. Grill that. And then we grill prawn. We do the same. Prawn easy to cook. Okay, when the color change to orange, we just put the sauce. Do the same way. If overcook it, prawn become very hard. Okay, now our barbecue look like. Okay, I'm going to taste. I taste tomato first. Very nice. You should cook at home. Okay, now it look nice, the taste nice. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Alright, thank you. See you again next time.